I think the smartest thing to do now if you have the capital is to continue to dollar cost average into your favorite altcoin, into Jasmycoin. In this video, we're going to be looking at this Jasmy daily RSI to talk about what we should expect for the RSI momentum. We're going to be looking at the BTC dominance, the BTC price chart, as well as the Jasmy price chart on the 4-hour time frame. By the way, congratulations to those who held Jasmy, to those who bought Jasmy when we dipped massively yesterday into this zone, the zone between 0.031663 and also 0.029 317. In our last video, I specifically pointed out this zone. I think we've talked about this zone countless times in our videos, you understand. I pointed out this zone. I reminded you guys again in our last video that if Jasmy should dip into this zone, that is your entry opportunity either on the spot market or on the futures market. And congratulations if you took the advice and bought into Jasmy then, because we dipped all the way to, I think we dipped as low as 0.030644, and that was when I took my entry. I took my entry around 0.031480. As you can see, I came out with 64% in profit. You understand? Yesterday, that was a trade I took yesterday. So congratulations if you paid attention to the video we talked about yesterday for the price of Jasmycoin. You should be in profit right now. Even if you haven't sold, you should be in massive profit. And I think someone yesterday dropped a comment in the video we posted. He said, "No more, move down." Now, what this person is trying to say is Jasmy has already dipped, and I told him that's another cool entry opportunity. That was the response I gave to his comment immediately. I told him that was another entry opportunity. You understand? Someone replied 19 hours ago that Jasmy is currently at 3015. You see, so that was the period I took the long entry. That was a private trade, by the way, personal trade. Before I proceed, please destroy the like button, like this video if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel in case you're new to this channel. My name is Isaac. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's onboard more people to Jasmy. Let's spread the good news of Jasmycoin. A lot of you hope for dips to come, you understand, and when it does come, your panic button gets triggered. When the dips you've been praying for, hoping for, comes, when the opportunity is being presented for you to buy very, very cheap, your panic button gets triggered, which is not good at all. Like seriously, you have to be very, very decisive on what you want to do. Otherwise, you keep on losing trades. You just keep on missing opportunities. Like seriously. Now let's head back to this Jasmy price chart on the 4-hour time frame. I told you guys the moment you see Jasmy dip in between this zone 0.031663 and also 0.029317, that is an entry zone, because that area is an area of interest, a point of sell side liquidity. Now the moment we are currently below the 0.034087, the moment we are flipping that zone into a support, this 0.034 zone into a support, then expect Jasmy to easily retest this zone once again, the zone between 0.038 and also 0.040 zone. That zone is a high area of liquidity for Jasmy to take out. That is a very, very high area of liquidity. The moment we are taking that liquidity out and breaking past it with massive volume, then expect we to get back to our previous high, which was around 0.044015. Let's just talk about this Jasmy RSI real quick. Remember, we've talked about this RSI countless times in our video. I specifically told you guys before we broke out of this first trend line right here. I told you guys the moment we are breaking out of this first trend line, Jasmycoin is going to get a parabolic move to the upside. We got a parabolic move to the upside. I was constantly updating you guys. I don't just make videos, you understand? I make videos when there is something to talk about, you understand? I was constantly updating you guys on the breakout, on the retest, and I told you the moment it's breaking out and retesting this trend line, we are going to get a moonshot to the upside. Although we didn't get to the price area for the RSI momentum, I was expecting it to take out this previous high. But the momentum wasn't enough, so we stopped at around 87% instead of 90%, which was the target I was expecting the RSI momentum to get to. Now we formed the same pattern. History is repeating itself right now. This is another massive buy opportunity, another entry opportunity. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. But this is what the chart is saying, and my job is to interpret the chart to tell you what the chart is saying. Now we are now below 50% for the RSI. We are currently at 49.56%. This, whatever, like the moment you see an RSI dips below 50%, that is a discount zone, that is an entry zone. Like seriously, sooner or later we are going to break past this trend line right here, this current trend line, and it's going to be a moonshot to the upside. Let's even look at what Jasmy is saying on CoinMarketCap real quick. The momentum is now down. We are losing momentum. Trading volume is currently sitting at $200 million. We are ranked number 53rd position by volume on CoinMarketCap. We are ranked by 55th position by market cap on CoinMarketCap. We are currently at $1.6 billion market cap. The market cap is down minus 5% in the last 24 hours. Trading volume is down minus 17% in the last 24 hours. Price is down minus 5% in the last 24 hours. We are currently sitting at 0.03262. Now, the whales watching this video, investors, be it whale, fish, whatever you are, sharks, please and please hold your position. Because if you continue to sell, Jasmy will continue to lose her position. We are currently at number 55th position out of over 10,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. If you guys continue to panic sell, we are going to lose this position, and before you know it, we'll be back to 100 position, 80 something, 90 something position. We are already close. Like, the market is about to explode. I've said this times without number. Let's look at the BTC dominance once again. This particular dominance, we are still consolidating. The dominance hasn't really pumped massively to the upside nor corrected to the downside. We are currently at 55.4%. We have 4 days, 19 hours for this current weekly candle for the dominance to close. And let's pay attention to this BTC dominance here once again. If you're paying attention to this BTC dominance, you will notice we have a huge resistance around 57.39%, which each time we approach that zone, we usually get a massive correction to the downside. So BTC dominance since this year has been consolidating close to this zone. That is, there hasn't been any massive volume. Sooner or later, we are going to get, even if we should break above the 57, which I've told you guys times without number, even if we should break above the 57 and head to 60, 61%, or maybe 62%, the crash is going to be massive. And the target one I'm expecting is going to be around 52%. Is my first target. 52% is the obvious first target. While the second target is going to be 47%, 47.83. The third and final target, in my own opinion, is going to be 42.92%. Now let's head back to this dominance chart. 52% is an area of interest. 47% is an area of interest as well. Why 42% is as well an area of interest. If it drops below 42%, the better for our altcoin bag. So the moment you start seeing BTC dominance correct massively, that is an indication that we are in the earliest stage of the altcoin season. The moment you start seeing 52% for the BTC dominance, know we are gradually moving to the early stage, the first phase of the altcoin season. It's going to take a lot of people by surprise. That's what normally happened every cycle. Jasmy has massive liquidity to the upside. We have over $2.3 million worth of positions to get liquidated on the upside around the zone of 0.04 and 0.038 zone. You understand? So you have to pay attention. Sooner or later, Jasmy is going to take out that liquidity. Likewise to BTC as well. Likewise to BTC, for those panicking, those thinking BTC is done, 72k is coming very, very soon. The moment BTC is flipping the 67k zone into a support, forget about it, 72k is going to come like a thief in the night. Remember, I gave you guys this zone as well as an entry zone. I took a long trade, a long entry yesterday, a personal trade, by the way, private trade yesterday when the market was in an extreme fear mode, when the market was extremely deep. But I knew BTC was definitely going to reverse. You understand? I knew it was going to get a bounce from this zone. The zone is between $64,658 and also $62,354. Whatever happens, the moment you see BTC dips into this zone, that is an entry opportunity. Please and please don't miss that entry opportunity. Jasmy is getting to $1. I think we've said this countless times. Sooner or later, you're going to begin to see $1 for Jasmycoin, and that should bring us to around $49 billion market cap, technically. All the supply is currently out. We are currently at 98% in supply. Now, let me say something. I got some message a couple of days ago. People, okay, a day or two ago, someone was saying he joined the Jasmy group and they are talking about airdrop. There is no airdrop ongoing for Jasmycoin. Please and please. Whatever video you come across and they are talking about Jasmy airdrop is likely to be a scam. Whatever Telegram group you're in and they are talking about Jasmy airdrop is likely to be a scam. The real link to Jasmy group will be in the description of this video. By the way, the link to our public group as well will be in the description of this video if you want to take the trade we jump on, the positions, the trade we open once in a while. Follow the official Jasmy Twitter page and then locate their website from there. From there, you can get their social media handle easily. Please and please don't get scammed. Be wise. Play safe. So, the market hasn't really started. Sooner or later, BTC is going to do wonders. Like seriously. After every BTC halving, the overall crypto market usually gets a massive price explosion to the upside. And I don't think this cycle is going to be an exception, because if you're paying attention, after 2020 halving, we got almost 600% pump. After 2016 halving, we got almost 3000% pump. After 2012 halving, which was the first halving, we got almost 9000% pump for BTC. So I don't think 2024 halving is going to be an exception. Like seriously. The pump is coming. Hold your horses very well, please. So my BTC long position is currently at 12% in profit. You understand? 12.6% in profit. And I didn't invest much in this position though, because I believed more on Jasmy. I think I opened a long position for Jasmy yesterday with $3,000 technically. And BTC should be around $100, right? BTC long position should be around $100. So I might be closing this position before the take profit. The take profit is $66,000, you understand, for BTC. But I might be closing the position before the take profit. And yeah, so that's that for that. And as always, my name is Isaac. Please and please invest the amount you can afford to lose. Hold on to your horses very, very well. Don't sell your Jasmycoin for penny. The real move hasn't started yet. We are yet to begin the real pump for the overall altcoin market. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest the amount you can afford to lose. Like this video if you haven't already. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the good news of Jasmycoin. Peace out.